Alright, y'all. This is how I'm up about nine $950 today. Yeah, I lost a trade today, but I then gained it all back with a second trade. But yeah. So coming into today's market, my bias is pretty bearish. Just seeing how fucking down we're going. Um, into the another time frame. I saw that we reacted off this gap right here multiple times. Boom, one, two. So um, I was still bearish, and we react off this other gap right here. And we were still bearish. Oh crap! All right, and yeah, we had another 30-minute gap. Another 30-minute gap. We kept reacting off these high time frame Peter rays, which gave me like a clear draw liquidity. I knew coming into market open we were gonna have a lot of low resistance liquidity. I wanted us to go down and then go back up and take out these highs and then go back down, but that's not what happened. Um, so coming into market open right here, we reacted off this 5-minute gap as well, and then we dumped a lot. And I really shouldn't, like, my mistake here was just thinking the market was gonna do what I wanted it to do. It didn't do what I wanted it to do, and that's why I lost my first trade. But when the draw on liquidity was so strong, but yeah, I wanted us to come take out these lows, which we did, and then there was a 5-minute gap right here, which we reacted off of again, and coming into the 1 minute. Okay, at 9:30. Yeah, we dumped, reacted off these gaps multiple times. This was my first trade right here. I took it 705. Well, no, I took it right here 728. Put in my stop loss below this gap. I thought since we came down, we took out previous session lows. I thought we were gonna come back up, but we didn't. We reacted off this gap again and this gap, and yeah, price is still dumping as we speak. I don't know where we're probably gonna go to be honest. We might have, yeah, I think we're gonna go tap into this gap right here and then reverse. But yeah, this was my first trade. I lost about $500 on each account, which I probably shouldn't really even be risking this much, but just trying to build my buffer right now. But yeah, I lost about $500 on each account. I'm still getting like used to the fucking trade ovate shit, but like for some reason, bro, like when I took my second trade, it only went through one account. I made like, yeah, $900 on that account, but well, I made like 700, and then on the trade ovate, the other account, I made like $200 because I was still getting used to it, and like I don't know, but it's just a fucking like, bro, I wish it was like Top Step, but fuck. But yeah, so yeah, this was my trade. This is the first L, and after this, I saw that. All right, so after this, I just like thought about it again. I was like, oh, so like price is pretty fucking bearish. I don't know why you thought like price was gonna be fucking bullish today. And so yeah, I just like I think I answered my other trade off this fucking gap as well, coming back into the zone, and then coming down and taking out these lows right here. So it was like, hold on, let me see. Oh, there we go. Yeah, we come back, we tap into this. This was my trade. Let me see. Oh well, it seems like these two, like this shit right here, bro. It was just like me, like messing around. Well, not messing around, but like, bro, like I don't know how to explain it, but it's just so fucking confusing, like doing this shit on top, trade of 8 and like setting limits and shit. But yeah, as you can see, like this was my fucking I got stopped out right here on this first account, tried hitting these highs. Second trade I took, entered off this fucking gap. We went down, took out these lows right here, these hourly lows, which was 1 to 3. Well, basically 1 to 3.7. this trade was a 1 to 3 as well. Um, but yeah, some things I could have done better was definitely just like if the market does like the market's not gonna do what you want it to do, it's gonna you really got to just adapt to it. Feel like I take this as an L as well, not even because I take it as an L just because like I feel like I was like so like rushing, like I was so rushy with it. I definitely could have waited until we crossed over this, and then even if I got like a little like 1 or 2 trade here, would have been still a W. But instead, I waited for to get this changing state, and look what happened. But yeah, just patience is like the key, definitely the key. And just being like just going with the trend. Look, we react off this 3 minute gap as well, and like we dumped. So if I would have like seen that, or just thought about it a little bit more, and like just use my higher time frame, Peter Ray's, today could have been like a really bank day, but it's whatever. It's a learning lesson. Pretty much like break even on my trades right now. On both my accounts actually, because I lost yesterday, but I didn't upload the video. I lost like 250 on both accounts, so it was like 500 in total. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Coming into tomorrow, like, let me see. Well, yeah, we didn't have news today, but we had FOMC. But we have a red folder at 2 p.m. We have FOMC at 11. All right, tomorrow should be pretty good. Let's hope so. But yeah, we're just dumping like crazy right now. We'll probably take out these lows before we freaking reverse. There's another gap right here, and I don't know. I might take another trade, but I might not as well if I see something good. Gotta be really good though. But yeah, that's it for today. Yeah.